Hello my friends and welcome back to another review. Today we are reviewing this oil or, well, I mean, I guess you could use it for more than just vehicle oil and fluids. You can use it pretty much for whatever you can come up with. Now we picked this up on Temu. What I like about this is it's collapsible. It's multi-different size, so if you only wanted it like, let's say this size, you could use that size. But then if you spilled in here, it would stay in there. Now you can hang it up somewhere with the little circle. It's silicone and easily collapse right when you're done. For quick, simple storage. So, what would you pay for this? For this foldable funnel. Okay. This funnel cost us 60 cents. That's right. On Temu, this is 60 cents. Would you pay 60 cents for a collapsible funnel? I would, and I did.